best songs of the 80s. This is all about having fun. A little Whitney. This song gives me total sleepover vibes. You're just with your girls. Woo! I want you to make your movements big, fun, carefree, free from concern. That's what we're all about. All right, we're gonna take this left leg back, and we start down, out, forward, turn, right side, down, out, back, same exact thing. Hold it here, tap, tap, 1, 2, 3. We got one more of these, and then you have a party right here. Right side, turn it out, to the back, right foot, same thing. Slide, right, right side, turn it, right side. We do that whole entire sequence again on the left. Here we go, here we go. Left, slide, left, again, turn it, back to those hips, and we're going back to the top, left leg back. Last time, tap it. Hup. I need a man who'll take a chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So one more, and then you have that party. Hup. Kick it. Slide right. Left leg, go. Turn it. Ow, you got it. Can you get a little lower? Lift a little higher. We're gonna go back to those toe taps. Last one right here. Party time. Left side. You girls are doing so awesome. And so are you at home. You got this. Maybe do a little pose. Make that your own. All right, we got crazy feet. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, rock back. You stay here for a little bit. Rock back. 1, 2, 3. Hey, you got it, Jen. Don't worry, sister. Take it around. Other side. You got one more set, then return it back to the front. Here we go, here we go. All about dancing. Yes, good job.